Alright guys, we're going to be opening this Battle Academy box that has 3 decks. You guys have seen these. I got this one at GameStop. They're at Target. I don't think I've seen them at Walmart. But yeah, so I'm the Steve FFF, and with me is the lovely Bella, my beautiful daughter Bella. We're going to be opening this Battle Academy board game with the 3 decks. It teaches you how to play, and a lot of you guys know how to play already. But we're going to be opening this baby up. I haven't opened it. I don't think I've even seen an opening of this, but I'm sure they're out there. But it comes in like a box, game board box. And so, let's go and check it out. Open this baby up, and it got Charizard Stadium, Pikachu, Pokeball inside. It has the game board game. Playmat, pretty cool. It tells you where everything goes. You've seen that. It tells you where to put your bench card, discard deck, active spot. Pretty cool. Pikachu deck guide. Cool. It has all the card list. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Charizard deck guide. Nice. Card list. Damage counters and GX and all these things. Ooh, the little deck box. Here we go. Forget about the Mewtwo deck. Pretty good, pretty good. We're going to be learning how to play TCG. Beautiful GX. Nice. And then we got Cynthia, Switch, How, Charmander. They feel a little more plastic, a little more sturdy actually. Great Ball, Pokemon, Catcher, Kangaskhan, pretty good deck. How, Charmeleon, Cynthia, Salazzle, Great Ball, Bug Catcher, Moltres, dang, look at that. Pokemon Fan Club, Flareon, Great Ball, Charmander, House, Switch, Charizard, Energy, Potion, Eevee, Energy, Bug Catcher, Great Ball, Sandlit, Charmeleon. Pretty good starter deck for sure, especially with that one GX. Charmander, Charmeleon, Potion, Salandit, Energies, Salazzle, Kangaskhan, Charmander. Very good. Awesome deck. Gotta put those in a... I don't know what sleeves I'm going to put them in. And here's a big old coin with Charizard, Pikachu, and Mewtwo. Pretty good. There's the code. Battle Academy. Mewtwo GX. Mewtwo. Oh yeah, I forgot to say it has the Mewtwo and the symbols. Pokemon Catcher, Energy Potion, Cynthia, Mesprit, Great Ball, Energy Bug Catcher, Switch. Oh, this one has EVs too. Do they all have like EVs? Do they have little Mew? Espion, cute. Bug Catcher. So I think these are basically just Snorlax instead of Kangaskhan, like the Charizard deck. Cresselia, Togepex, Snorlax. I think I'm gonna switch. I like Snorlax better than Kangaskhan, but Kangaskhan is cool too. Switch, Eevee, Mewtwo GX, little Mewtwo. So this is a good buy for $20 right now. They're still, they still have them. I mean, I found one as, even today, I think they still had them at Target, I saw. This one has the Raichu GX. Good. Electabuzz, Great Ball, Alolan Raichu. Electivire, Switch. I wonder what this one is. It's Chansey for the normal type. Potion. Great Ball. Tauros. Oh, it has Tauros too, this one. Pretty good. Electro Power, How, Electivire. Pikachu, Pokemon Fan Club, Bug Catcher, Zebustrika. I like that. It's one of my more favorite, newer Pokemon. I'm old school, but I do like that one. Even though I think that one's like 4th gen, so it's not even that new. Electabuzz, Chansey, Pikachu, Blitzel. Look, Bella, so which one would be your favorite, do you think? Come check them out. Let's see. That one's a Pikachu pack deck. We have Mewtwo, so that's electric, that's why. Then we have, of course, the Mewtwo GX. That one is in purple. And we've got, what is this? Tell me that's the GX that's being abused. It's 30 actually, so it's alright. So which one do you think is your favorite? Of course you know which one I like, right? Which one would you pick? Or if you were to pick, which one would you pick? You can pick Charizard too, but which one would you pick? Which one do you think? Your favorite Pokemon? Yeah, this guy's cool too. He kind of seems like a bad guy, but he's just misunderstood. But there we go, guys. That's the cool little Battle Academy. Pretty good deal, I think. Cute starter decks, cute little collection, like a game board. Pretty sturdy. Awesome. Thanks for watching. So once again, I'm the Steve FFF, and with me, of course, my daughter, my beautiful daughter, Bella, and we'll see you next time for something else. Thanks for watching.